Hey guys, this is Mr. Post coming to you. When you guys are doing something like Google Classroom or whatnot, one of the things I wanted you to do is to realize when you get when you have something and like I sent you a worksheet or whatnot, like this is an example at the very top of the worksheet. It said this one was like, "What did I do?" or "What did we do today in class?" Okay, I did. I cut it off, and then you'll have underneath that it'll have your name and then a picture of you. Sometimes you put a picture on there. Mr. Post doesn't, and I'm getting feedback. And then underneath it, it'll be name again, and I'll have a W over here. Okay. What you do is you come over here to open with Google Docs. Okay. And when you open that, when you click that, you wait a couple seconds, and you will see the entire um, worksheet that you have, and then you can just go on there and click on it and type your answers on there, and then you just whoop, send it right back to me. Okay, just so that you guys know that it might be a lot easier. Okay, see you guys, miss you. Sorry I look so rough today.